While Asian people love their rice, Colombian and Venezuelan people have a special place in their hearts for arepas. You can eat them at any time, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Fill it with about anything you want. They are so versatile and absolutely easy to make. I'm no cook, but I can tell you that by the end of this video, you'll know how easy it is to make them in 3 simple steps. You should probably have almost all of these ingredients. But where do you get this one? That's easy. They sell them in so many countries, there's literally no excuse to not find them. If you hate measuring things like I do, just add warm water to the corn flour little by little until you get this clay consistency. It's important because I would have no idea, right? And let it rest for a few minutes. Now we mold them into discs. And in a medium-low heated pan with oil, just add the arepas in. And let it cook for 5 minutes each side, until they look something like this. This part is optional, but we like to cut them and cheese it up. Put it back in. Oh, look at the cheese inside.
Did you see this cheese string?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the cheese really changes the arepa.
You can buy them pre-made.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
A lot of people also just make it at home.
And the texture is like super unique because it doesn't resemble like bread. It's crispy, but it's not like bread, it's different.
It's soft inside.
It's very unique.
Not like bread. That's yummy.
It's very nice.
I mean, I'm biased. I've been eating it since I was 7 or 5. I don't know, maybe 5 years old actually.